Was Don Lemon part of your organized effort?
Well, first, let me correct something. You said that the federal government is the most powerful entity on the planet. I beg to differ. God Almighty is the most powerful entity on the planet. That's number one. On Saturday, I posted a flyer about this action with no details other than show up at the Cub Foods parking lot if you want to participate. So Saturday night, I got a call from Don asking about this protest. And I said, listen, I can't reveal any information about this protest. He said he would be heading into town on Sunday. And I'm like, I have to treat you like everyone else. I cannot reveal any information about it because I don't want it to leak. And so I said, if you want to document what's happening, then show up at the Cub Foods parking lot like everybody else.
Renee Good. Renee Good. Renee Good. Renee Good. Renee Good. Renee Good.
Last night, the DOJ sent a team of federal agents to arrest me in the middle of the night for something that I've been doing for the last 30 years, and that is covering the news. The First Amendment of the Constitution protects that work for me and for countless of other journalists who do what I do. I stand with all of them, and I will not be silenced. I look forward to my day in court.
Man, them doggone other reporters and stuff like that looking around like, you stand with who? You up there by yourself, brother. We don't stand with you, Don. Brother, listen, I think that he getting conflicted, and he does this in everything that he does, man. That's why it was honestly hard for me to watch that video of him with Candace or him sitting there at interview or talk to anybody else, because he always does this. No, you were not. There's completely difference from you sitting out there with a mother-loving camera recording, just watching, versus actually actively participating in whatever it is that they had going on. Now, it looked like they were in the inside of a temple or something while people were trying to practice their religion. I'm not saying that this is right or this is wrong, but if you are interfering with somebody practicing their religion, or you're keeping them from practicing, is that not a crime? I don't know. Is that not a crime though? Like, y'all, that lady literally said that he called me before, which let you know something. All right? So you were well aware of what they had going on. Is this legal or whatever? Like, we don't want to blow the whistle and let anybody know what we're about to do. What the hell? What you mean? You about to do something? It can't be good. This ain't no damn surprise birthday party. So you're telling me that you knew and you understood that these things were being orchestrated behind the scenes, but you still kept it to yourself. And she said you can show up and record and document, but you took it a step further. And you up there participating, and you surprised that they said, when you are involved in things like this, there is a high probability, a good chance that you could be arrested. And that can come now or later. It can come now or later. Don't try to make it seem like, no, fam, you ain't been doing this for no 30, 40, however long you've been doing whatever it is that you've been doing. Because, fam, if you participate in stuff like this, a protest, even a peaceful protest, you still run the chances of getting locked up. And those people that are out there recording or whatever, you still run a chance of also getting locked up as well. If it looked like, or we feel like you getting in the way of an investigation or something that we got going, we can lock your butt up, brother. You run that doggone chance. This is what tripped me out about him, man, and individuals like him. They do stuff like this, and it's literally recorded in 4K because you recorded it. You recorded it. You do stuff like this, and then you try to play the victim. Ain't nobody on your side, brother. There is absolutely they literally cooking this dude down in the comments. Even on his own pages, cooking him because you wrong, brother. Ain't nobody standing behind that. You're wrong. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments, man? Do y'all think that he deserved to get locked up? Drop it down in the comments and let me know. Crazy mofo. Lost your mother loving mind, boy. Get up out of here, man.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna. Whoa.